Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable USB debugging on Samsung A52S. Go to settings, scroll down, find option about the phone, click on that, find software information, click that. In this list you will see build number, tap this 7 times. You will see steps counting, type your PIN code, click done. Developer mode has been turned on. Go back again, scroll down, and you will see one more option below about option, developer options. Click on that, scroll down, find debugging, and you will see USB debugging. Just turn it on, click OK, and go back, and that is all. If you want to turn it off, go to developer options. In the top of screen, just click off. When you go back, you will see you don't have option developer options. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.